immediately when we do the next uploads. So today we want to continue with what we have been doing, designing a story building, and what we want to do now is want to design the roof. So I go to story one story, then I'm going to the roof option, which is this one, roof. Then I can double click on it and I go to, you will be taken to geometry. So here I advise you leave this one. For me, I normally leave this one so that I don't have to draw the fascia board. I use this one as my fascia when it is vertical. The angle at the end when it is vertical, I use it as my fascia, and I leave the thickness to 300, so it gives me some sort of a look of a fascia board, this thickness. But if you're going to use your roof maybe to do estimation of some other things, then it will be wiser if you go with the thickness of the roof. Then this one is called the pitch, which I'm going to leave at 45 degrees. I mean, the pitch normally is between 1 degrees to 45, and the offset, which is the overhang, is normally 756, I think 756, or you can reduce it to what you want or what you think will be okay to you. Then if you go to model, you'll be able to change the color and the outlook of your roof. So of course you can use also magic wand, but magic wand will work for you if all your external walls are combined, but because mine are not combined, magic wand won't work. So I'm going to, on this corner I hit here, then another corner. So you just hit on every corner the way you want, how you want your roof to go. So here I don't want this place to be covered by the roof, it will be a balcony, and also here the front will be a balcony. Oh, this one comes to this point. Also the front will be a balcony, but what I want is here the front, the person in the master bedroom can come here to, like, say when it's too sunny, you can come and chill here where there is the sun, where you have a roof covering the balcony. But say in the morning, and maybe it is a weekend and you want to chill and enjoy the sun, you don't have to go outside, you can just come to this other balcony and you enjoy the sun, because this one is not covered. So I want something like that, and I close in this. So that's my roof. If we take a look, the 3D, yeah, I think the roof kind of looks nice. Nice. Yeah, the roof looks nice. So I'm clicking on this. I don't think that we have to edit this roof anyways. I'm going to select this one. I don't want, you see this line here, I don't want this line here, but if you want to keep it, you can keep it, and it will help you in design purpose and stuff. Then I'll click on it and I go to model. Let me just switch these guys on. I will come to change them later, but maybe this one I can change to white so that you can see the fascia that I was talking about. Yeah, so you can see it's actually looking cool. So but we'll be able to do more edits on the roof, I think, although it looks nicer anyways, but I think I'll be able to edit here the front. Yeah, I'll make some editing at the front. Yes, I'll do some editing at the front. So maybe the next thing that we can go and do, so that our roof is looking as if it is hanging, will be to draw the columns. Drawing the columns, and then after drawing the columns, it will bring some sanity to our building. So before we go to the columns, I think I need to do this. So here I had not yet done this. Like if we go to our house, now we are unable to see. If you go inside, maybe let me pick this guy, the 3D guy. you can see here that we don't have, you will need to have a rail here or something covering here, so that when a person comes here, he won't fall, he or she won't fall. So I'm supposed to draw a rail here, which I forgot. I go to the railing tool, and this time, because we are drawing a rail that is just horizontal, I mean it's not going like upwards, like when you are drawing the one for the stair, you will leave this one to static. If you're using ArchiCAD 23 and 23, is it 23 and 23, I think 23 and 23 and 24. Yeah, 23 and 24. So basically that's what we have drawn, and if you want, you can go and edit it, maybe to make it look like the other one, which we'll do later. For now, I'm going to add a door here, and also I'm going to reduce this one by 100, push it this side by 100, and I'm going to add a door tool, and we have a door here. Although I've not yet checked my door, I don't want that door there. This door, I might want it here. Here I will want it to be doorless, and here let me choose another door. Last time we were using door, was it door 24? Was it door 24 or the we go with 24? We go with door 24. Which door is cool? Let me go with this. So then the style that we want, no, I don't want that. I think I should have gone with 24. Let's see this one. What does it have? This one. Yeah, we can go along with this, and let's go with this. So you can do any changes that you want, but for now let me just click that one so that I can end this recording. Yeah, so I can have a door there, then I'm going to have a bed here, and basically I wanted, when this person is in the bedroom, when this person is on the bed and maybe she's taking the shower this side, and she comes to change the clothes or something like that, this guy is able to see. So that's why, I mean, there's no point of having a door here. There's no point of having a door. Even this door, actually there's no point. What we need here is an empty door. If you have a door, if you have like you have this inside the bedroom, normally at times there is no point of having a door. In my opinion, there's no point, because you already, I mean, there's no point unless if you're sleeping with someone else, but since you're alone, in my opinion, there's no point.